Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop. Start by opening your PNG file in Adobe Photoshop. Then go to the select menu. Before that, create a duplicate layer pressing Ctrl J. Then go to the select option and choose subject or use the magic wand tool to select your object. With the selection active, go to Paths from Window section and click Make Work Path. Now go to File, then Export, then Path to Illustrator and save it as an AI file. Then select OK. For further editing, open the AI file in Adobe Illustrator and refine the vector. And that's it. You have successfully converted your PNG to a vector.